Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Lion King Ooshies. Now, you've probably seen these things everywhere. Huh? Wait, you're gonna stop. You need to see my face. Anyways, we've got some packages to open so we can complete our set. Now let's get on to it. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this first one. If I could get it open. We've got the normal Mufasa. Okay. Number 2. Spirit Mufasa. Zuzu, I think. Golden. And then we got Sarabi. We've been looking for this forever. Ooh. And then we got the sunset. Wait, is it the sunset? It's the orange. Simba. Yeah. So we got 2 rares, a golden and normal. Oof. I got Timon. We got Zuzu. I'm a bird. Scar, with the big scar on his eye. Gold Simba. Very last one. It's Kabnala. Look, she's tiny. Okay, so this is all the Ooshies I have. I have an Ooshie army. Lead, my Ooshies, lead! Okay guys, so now we're gonna put everything back in the case. And we'll see if we have completed the whole entire set. Okay. Guys, we finally completed it! Yes! Actually, dance party. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you can. And turn on that little bell after you subscribe so you know every time I post another video. And don't forget to comment down below if you finished your collection. And I'll see you later.